Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, council members, and thank you, committee members, for your hard work on this ordinance, and thank you for hearing us and making the changes that we've suggested. My name is Kristen. I'm a native Houstonian. I'm a lawyer. I'm a mother of 7 children. I want to start with the restroom ordinance. I think that I've spent a fair amount of time, probably more than anybody in this chamber, thinking about restroom safety issues with respect to children. And I want to say that what keeps children safe in restrooms is the vigilance of their parents and caregivers, not ordinances, not lack of ordinances. There is no parent in his or her right mind who is depending on an ordinance to keep a child safe in a public restroom. The second thing I want to address that has been brought up is the relatively low number of claims as a reason not to pass this ordinance. That's the reason to pass this ordinance. We pass laws because they set policy. Policy dictates what people do, and what I expect will happen when this law is passed, and I do believe it will pass, is that it will change public opinion. It will move civil rights. It will move the dialogue on civil rights, and I believe that the vast majority of Houstonians will comply with this ordinance voluntarily and will never, ever have a complaint filed against them. It is the few that will continue to discriminate, that will need the legal protection, but it will also protect everyone who never has to come to this city and file a complaint, because most people want to be law-abiding citizens. Loving versus Virginia was passed in was decided in 1967. It took an additional 25 years for public opinion to believe that interracial marriage was okay, but laws have the effect of changing public opinion.
Councilmember Gallegos.
Thank you for coming out today. Can you please finish?
Yes, and so what I want to respectfully suggest is that the reason to pass this ordinance is because it will create a standard, and that is what laws do. They create a standard for behavior for everyone to follow, and we have decided as a society that protecting discriminators is not as important as protecting the people who are victims of discrimination. Thank you.
Thank you very much.